Hello guys. I'm Siri. Welcome to iOS Beta News channel. Just now, very interesting information for fans has arrived. Apple company. That's why there's no time for a long start. Let's go. Apple announced the second event of 2020 today, which will take place on Tuesday, October 13th, at 10 o'clock a.m., on the Apple Park campus in Cupertino, California. As with Apple's September event, dedicated to the new iPad and Apple Watch, the October event will only be digital, and Apple, probably, will provide pre-recorded video segments for each new product to be announced. Since the new iPad Air, 8th generation iPad, and the Apple Watch Series 6 has already been announced, it is expected that the October event will be dedicated to Apple's iPhone, and Apple will introduce a new line of iPhone 12. Let's remember, what should we expect from a future grand event? And so, iPhone 12 range. In 2020, we expect 4 iPhones of 3 sizes. iPhone 12, which will become more accessible to the iPhone model, will be 5.4 and 6.1 inches in size. The 5.4-inch iPhone will be the smallest iPhone Apple has released in recent years, and rumor has it that it could even be called iPhone 12 mini. All 4 iPhones will be equipped with OLED displays, from edge to edge with Face ID function, and true depth front cameras. Despite some early rumors about smaller notches, it doesn't look like the notch is shrinking on most models, but we can expect a proportional notch on the smallest 5.4-inch model. This will be the first case when Apple uses OLED technology in the iPhone lineup. It is expected that Apple will also provide 5G support for all iPhone 12 models, although the fastest 5G wave potentially can be limited to higher-level models, while more affordable models get 5G at less than 6 GHz, sub-6 GHz 5G. It's 5G, which is expected, will be used in most places with millimeter waves. Entering urban areas, the iPhone 2020 line will change the design. The iPhone will look iPad Pro style, in which the rounded edges will be eliminated, which have been in use since the iPhone 6, in favor of more square flat edges. It is expected that the new camera will be equipped with high-end Pro iPhone models, which will have LiDAR scanners, similar to the LiDAR scanners introduced in the iPad Pro. All new iPhones will use faster 5nm A14 chips, which Apple first introduced to the 2020 iPad Air, which should significantly improve productivity and efficiency. Apple has been sticking to September events and new iPhone releases for many years, but the global health pandemic has delayed the release of new iPhones, and given the delay, Apple also decided to postpone its traditional September event. In July, Apple confirmed that this year the models will be released a few weeks later than usual in September. Rumors suggest that the first iPhone 12 models will enter the market in October, perhaps shortly after the event, but some iPhone models, such as the iPhone 12 inches Pro Max, can be postponed even longer. Perhaps we won't see the full line of iPhone 12 until November. Rumors suggest what is a 6.7-inch iPhone, and one 6.1-inch model will be higher-end devices with cameras with 3 lenses, and models with a diagonal of 5.4 and 6.1 inches will be cheaper iPhones with 2 lenses and a more affordable price. Rumor has it that 5.4-inch iPhone 12 2020 inch will be the smallest iPhone released by Apple after the 4.7-inch iPhone SE 2020. iPhone 12 Pro, with a diagonal of 6.7 inches, will be Apple's biggest iPhone to date, outperforming the 6.5-inch iPhone 11 Pro Max. The two 6.1-inch models will be similar in size to the existing iPhone 11. There were rumors that Apple will use the new True Depth camera system, which reduces the size of the notch on the front panel, but the leaks are ambiguous on this issue, and it looks like there will be a smaller notch on the 5.4-inch model, while other models will have a cutout of the same size. There are also rumors about a 3-dimensional rear camera system with 3 lenses, which uses a laser to calculate information about the depth of objects in a room, improving both photos and augmented reality capabilities. It's likely to look like a LiDAR scanner in the 2020 iPad Pro, and it looks like it will be limited to the more expensive 6.7-inch iPhone model. There are rumors that Apple has no plans to turn on the power adapter or earpods included with iPhone 12 models, which will allow the company to reduce production costs and packaging. Instead, Apple can offer a 20-watt power adapter, which can be purchased separately. USB-C cable, Lightning can get an update. However, it is rumored that Apple plans to offer a new wicker cable design. With the release of the Apple Watch Series 6, Apple seems to have confirmed these rumors, because the latest Apple Watch doesn't come with a power adapter. Since the Apple Watch doesn't include a power adapter, Apple seems almost certainly will make the same changes to the iPhone 12 lineup. Instead, Apple plans to present the iPhone in October at an event that will take place on October 13th. And this is officially confirmed on the company's website. Rumor has it that you can expect a gradual release of your iPhone. So although new iPhones will appear in October, some models may not be released until November. AirPods Studio. Apple works on high-quality overhead headphones, who are part of the AirPods family, offering overhead headphones, an alternative to AirPods, and AirPods Pro. AirPods Studio is rumored to cost $349, and will offer active noise reduction and retro design. It is expected that AirPods Studio is expected before the end of the year. That's why Apple's October event along with the new iPhone. It will be the perfect time for Apple to introduce them. AirTags. These are long-running rumors about Apple Bluetooth trackers, which can be attached to such objects, like wallets, and the keys, allowing you to track them directly in the Find My app with your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. AirTags we've been waiting for quite some time. Finally, we were able to see them in October. Smaller HomePod. It is assumed that the development will be a more compact and less expensive HomePod, which will complement the existing HomePod, and it's rumored that it will appear before the end of the year. Coverage of events. iOS Beta News Channel. Apple plans to broadcast the autumn iPhone event live on your events website, on YouTube, and on Apple TV, when it starts at 10 o'clock a.m. Pacific Time. For those who can't watch, iOS Beta News Channel and me will provide full coverage of events. Apple Events website, viewed on iPhone, includes an augmented reality image, which can be pressed, with an animated event logo, which expands from a series of concentric circles to three-dimensional spheres, with an image of the date of October 13th. So, guys, it was a brief overview of the upcoming grand event from the Apple company. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe and like it. Siri was with you.